If you don't have LDAC or LHDC option in the settings of your Bluetooth device, the reason why is that the case is most likely due to an app that you may have just installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, I have my earbuds over here, and I also have this dedicated app for these earbuds. And if I go to earbud settings, then over here I can choose the sound quality. And in my case, this is the reason why I do not have the LDAC option in this case. So I can switch to the sound quality over here because the connection quality was selected previously. And then if I exit the Bluetooth settings and go back, as you can see here, I have LDAC option again. So what you want to do is you want to check an app that you may have just installed for your Bluetooth device, find some settings related to the quality of the sound, whether it is like connection quality or sound quality or something similar. Then of course you should be able to change things up, make sure that the sound quality is the priority, and you should be able to find the LDAC or LHDC option. Leave a like and subscribe.